Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to edit family members on Facebook. Keeping your Facebook profile up to date is essential for staying connected with friends and family. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to edit your family members' information on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust your account preferences. Under the Audience and Visibility section, tap Profile Details. This is where you can manage the information displayed on your profile. Scroll down until you reach the Family Members section. Here, you'll see a list of family members you've added to your profile. To edit a family member's information, tap the Edit icon next to their name. This will open a new screen where you can make changes. Tap Edit Family Member to proceed. Now, you can update the name or relationship status of your family member. If you need to change the name, search for the new name and select it from the results. Once you've made your changes, tap Save to apply them. Remember, when you add or edit family members, they will receive a notification and must confirm the relationship before it appears on both profiles. This ensures that everyone involved is comfortable with the information being shared. By following these steps, you can easily keep your family information on Facebook current and accurate. This not only helps you stay connected, but also ensures that your profile reflects your real-life relationships. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your social media profiles. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!